Okay, I'm about to take a video of a police officer parked on a sidewalk and blocking a fire hydrant at his home. This is the second day he's done it. The first day he had a Charger cruiser parked there in the same exact place. I'm sick and tired of these cops getting away with shit that we can't do. Look at this guy. Parked right on the sidewalk. That's what we do. Park right on the sidewalk, blocking a fire hydrant. Look at all that. Right on the sidewalk. No, I'm just doing some